Hey everyone, this is how you can sell your online courses with VidSell. In this video, we're going to be going through a step-by-step process showing you how you can take traffic coming to your website or through your different social media channels and convert those people into paying course members using VidSell flows. And not only how you can sell course access, but also how you can deliver on that course content using VidSell's simple video-driven business system. So let's get started. Step 1 is all about attracting attention to your courses. So this has to do with your traffic sources, whether it be YouTube or social media. So for example, if you're marketing on YouTube, you can share a link to your website or directly to a VidSell flow inside of the description of the YouTube video. You can share VidSell links directly in the bio area of your social media channel or underneath posts directly. And so once somebody clicks on the link that you desire them to go to, this is where VidSell flows come in. And this takes us to step 2, which is how to actually sell your course using VidSell flows. Here inside of the VidSell Flow Builder, it's a very simple process to build sales pages, just like the one you see here. And a page like this could probably take you about 5 to 10 minutes to build. But that doesn't mean it's not valuable. It's actually because this is a key part of VidSell. Because the main thing that's actually converting somebody to purchase your course on this page is your demo or the introduction to your course or whatever you're presenting to your audience to share why this course is valuable and what somebody can expect when they buy the course. And so you can share the most important media right up front so somebody can get a better idea of what the course is about before they purchase, and that makes the process also easier on you. Now, this is a sales page inside of VidSell, and that is because I have it set to the purchase CTA type. When somebody lands on this page, they'll click on this button and they'll see this nice pop-over cart right in context where you're already pitching the value of this course, and there's a order form that they can go through and purchase the course immediately on this page. In the next step, I also have an upsell included as well so that they can get access to the entire course bundle. So if somebody would like to not just buy access to one individual course, I have an upsell here that they can buy every course in what is called the Tier 1 package in this example. And then of course the last step is a thank you page so that they can receive the confirmation for their purchase. Now the interesting thing about VidSell is because it's an interconnected business system, you're able to deliver on the courses that you're selling as soon as your customer purchases. So you can see the steps we just outlined earlier. And this represents an automatic action that happens when somebody lands on this page. So if somebody goes through the sales page and they purchase, they're going to get a tag that says they purchased the particular course that we're selling. And this tag unlocks the course inside of the VidSell courses area. So really it's as simple as setting up one tag when somebody purchases, and they can automatically get access to the course that they just bought without you having to do a lot of extra work. Then with the upsell, you can also set the multiple different tags, and those tags will unlock the other courses inside of that classroom. Now let's go back into VidSell and show you how to set this up because it's very simple to do right from inside of the flows area. So all you need to do to give somebody the tags they need to unlock these courses is head to the automations tab and click on the area that says add tags. You can name it whatever you'd like for your internal systems of keeping track what people have bought. But in this case, we have a simple tag, purchased scalable business system course and Tier 1 access, which gives them access to the classroom that the course is contained in. Now on the upsell, let's go add the tags that they would need when they purchase the bundle. In this example, these are the courses that they would get through the Tier 1 access. And now all of these tags that we just added are going to unlock the courses that are purchased when somebody goes through this flow. So now let's go over to the VidSell Engage area to show you how you can actually deliver these courses when somebody purchases. So now here inside of our classrooms area, inside of this Tier 1 access level, which is what was purchased earlier, each of these courses has an option to show to users who have specific tags only. And then you can select the tag that you'd like to unlock this course when a user has this tag. So if somebody went through the flow earlier, they would get all these tags added automatically, and then they would have access to all the courses that they purchased. Now, when somebody logs into your community area, they'll see these added courses in the courses area. But now let's go through and see the most important part of this entire setup, which is how this actually feels to go through from your customer's perspective. Alright, for this example, I'm now logged in as Joe Adams, your community member. And you can see that when I go to the courses area, I do not have tier 1 course access. I just have the entry tier courses. But I would really like to learn more, so I'm going to check out that course that I saw earlier on your website. Now I like your demo, I see that you're presenting the value of your course here on your video, and then I'm going to go through and purchase this course. Alright, the purchase was successful, and now I'm going to add the tier 1 access to my purchase. I can download my receipt here, and let's see what it looks like when I now log into the community area. You can see I don't have access just to the entry tier courses, I now have access to the tier 1 courses that I just purchased as well. And that is how simple it is to sell your online courses using VidSell. And of course, there's a lot of different strategies that you can use to sell your courses, but the main thing comes down to having high quality content that's actually helpful to people and being able to clearly communicate that value to your audience. And then from there, you can make the rest simple using VidSell. And if you'd like to see more content like this, sign up for our newsletter and get the latest updates on VidSell. Sign up is below, and we're looking forward to speaking more soon.